Kako postaneš Slovenec? Z Michaelom Manskim. Tretji del, part 3.
Kako preživiš povabilo na obisk?
The family lunch is a big deal in Slovenia. Many foreigners don't really know what they're getting into when they get invited to a Slovenian home to eat and drink. I certainly wasn't ready. That's because I was used to eating and drinking until I was full. In Slovenia, however, lunch does not end when you're full. Being full has nothing to do with anything. A traditional Slovenian lunch usually kicks off when you hear something like this.
Bomo spili enega kratkega?
Translated, this deadly phrase means, shall we drink a short one, by which short means a shot, usually something like blueberry schnapps. Also, even though Slovenes will ask you, it's not a question. You're not really being asked, you're being informed that the battle for lunch is about to begin. Drinking in Slovenia is no joke. According to the World Health Organization, Slovenes drink more than 15 liters of alcohol per adult per year. That puts them in the top 10 in the world. On average, Slovenes drink more than Serbs, the French, the British, the Germans, even the Irish. They also drink about 30% more than the average American. And wine, of course, is the favorite. What this means in practice is that your wine glass will never be empty. It also means that many times you won't be asked if you want more. For example, imagine this. You're in the middle of eating but don't want any more wine. This is what would happen in, say, the UK or the US.
Would you like some more wine?
No, thank you. I don't feel well. I think I'm going to be sick.
Oh dear. Can I get you a glass of water?
And this is what happened to me here in Slovenia just recently.
Kaj bo še vina?
Ne bom več, hvala. Slabo mi je. Mislim, da bom bruhal.
Ja dobro, pol bo samo pol kozarca.
If you think I'm joking, I'm not. And of course, I didn't even get a glass that was half full. I got a full one. This is because the goal of your host is to keep your glass full and your plate even fuller, no matter what you say or do. Words like samo malo, which means just a little, or ne hvala, no thank you, will have no effect on your host. Listen to this example.
Boš krompir?
Prosim da, ampak samo malo.
3, 4, 5, 6. Evo, izvoli.
Words like samo malo or čisto malo or sit sem, which means I'm full, will not help you at a Slovenian meal. In the beginning, I never really understood why. Why was I still getting so much food on my plate even after saying I'm full? After years of thinking about it, I think it's this. Slovenes know deep down that if you can still talk, you're not really full. What your host is really waiting for is not a word but a noise. At some point, Slovenes will drop their forks, grab their stomachs, push their chairs back, and you'll hear noises like this. Or,
Ew. Stari.
Those sounds mean that the meal is really over and that it's time for coffee and cake.
How to become a Slovene with Michael Mansky.